My name is Loice Kanda. I'm a master's student and a SANTHE fellow based at the KAVI Institute of Clinical Research in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm researching the naive B-cell repertoire. Naive B-cells are cells of our immune system that have just matured from the bone marrow and lack antigen experience. This means they have not encountered a vaccine or a pathogen. Then, being naive, we think of them as a similar or a homogeneous population. But then we are having subsets within the naive population. This means each of these cells would respond differently to vaccines or to pathogens. My research tries to find subsets or differences within the naive compartment in order to understand how better they would respond or worse they would respond to a vaccine. My research is important, especially in the context of germline targeting HIV vaccines. These are vaccines that have been designed to target very specific precursor cells within our naive repertoire that are able to, upon activation, mature and produce broadly neutralizing antibodies. These are antibodies that are able to neutralize a wide variety or a wide strains of HIV. Having subsets or differences within the naive B-cell repertoire means that one subset would respond better compared to the other. It would also mean that our very rare precursor cells would be abundant in one subset compared to the other. And that would affect the efficacy of these vaccines, especially if our precursor cells are in the subset that is not easy to get activated. So this research will tell us the frequencies of our precursor cells in different subsets of the naive B cells, and it will also guide us in knowing whether we need additional adjuvants to boost the activation of these cells. Also, it will help us predict the efficacy of germline targeting HIV vaccines, especially in our African population. Through SANTHE, I have access to mentorship. Also, I have access to the SANTHE scientific community. Through this, I'm able to engage with scientists across Africa who are studying similar things as me, so in the HIV vaccine space. Also, I have received numerous trainings, and through this, I get the skills and expertise that I need in my research. Also, SANTHE has been very beneficial through their financial support. I receive a monthly stipend from SANTHE. I really appreciate the support I've gotten from SANTHE to carry out this research. I'm also grateful for the opportunity to contribute to impactful research in Africa.